हमारी सरकार अभी तक अलग अलग स्कीम के तहत डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर इन वेलफेयर स्कीम के अंतर्गत 28 लाख करोड़ रुपए ट्रांसफर कर चुकी है।
DBT was launched in India about a decade ago as a good governance reform initiative aimed at efficient, transparent, timely and targeted public service delivery. DBT ensures that benefits reach the recipients directly, without middlemen, thereby reducing corruption. In cash transfers, the government electronically transfers money directly to the bank account of the beneficiaries. It includes pensions, scholarships and fellowships.
डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर के थ्रू जो हमें स्कॉलरशिप आ रही है, ये बहुत ही फायदेमंद है।
Under in-kind transfers, the government provides goods and services to the beneficiaries after authentication. It includes food, fertilizers and skill development.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो बोला था कि बीच में से बिचौलिया को हटाना है, तो अब ये बिचौलिया हटा दिए, अब हमारे सीधी खाते में आती है।
DBT has been achieved with a robust digital public infrastructure, which is popularly labeled as the JAM Trinity: Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and Mobile. Aadhaar is a 12-digit random number that serves as a unique digital identity and is a fundamental enabler for DBT. The entire adult population of India now has Aadhaar. It enables online authentication and deduplication. Aadhaar can be used as a financial address. Jan Dhan Yojana is a national financial inclusion drive launched in 2014. 478 million bank accounts have been opened. Doorstep banking services are now available through business correspondents and India Post.
जन धन योजना से हमें बहुत फायदा हुआ। मैंने अपना बैलेंस जीरो बैलेंस का खाता खोला।
India's extensive mobile network with over 1.17 billion users not only enables real-time communication of milestones such as application status and bank credits, but also reduces frauds and leakages. Mobile applications such as Umang and Jan Dhan Darshak also provide citizen-centric services. Before DBT, the benefit delivery system had several loopholes leading to corruption. Physical application led to inclusion and exclusion errors and resulted in ghost beneficiaries. Application processing was time-consuming and prone to errors. The discretionary powers led to nepotism. The beneficiaries often had to pay cuts and commissions and visit delivery points multiple times to avail benefits. With the implementation of DBT, corruption and leakages have been significantly reduced. This is accomplished through end-to-end digitization, which involves online application, computerized processing, electronic and authenticated delivery. The online application process is time-stamped and is available 24/7, thus reducing corruption opportunities. Service is also provided in assisted mode at 500,000 common service centers countrywide. Computerized decision-making and the use of Aadhaar have also reduced corruption by ensuring quick, transparent and fair outcomes. DBT has been widely praised the world over.
It's a logistical marvel how these programs that seek to help people who are at low income levels reach literally hundreds of millions of people.
Helped by digital transfer, India managed to provide food and cash support to 85% of rural areas and 69% of urban households. Successful examples of DBT programs in India include farmer income support, cooking gas subsidy, food grain subsidy. The success of DBT in India has generated global interest. India has hosted delegations from many countries such as Ecuador, Malawi, Philippines, Bangladesh, Nigeria and Tanzania. DBT is now evolving with more efficient models like online eligibility verification, social registry and disaster relief, among others. In conclusion, with an estimated savings of 2.5 trillion rupees to the public exchequer, DBT is an efficient and effective anti-corruption digital intervention in public service delivery